Ever try to work out a problem that Wondershare has created? They now make a micro folder that you can open up your folder that no longer says open folder where your location's at, or go to the cloud storage over here, or go to the free trial over here. If I X this out, then I'm able to get to my minimum size. But when this is rendering, I could go here and get to my pages and do what I want. But I can't minimize this during render. So let's X this out and show you that I can minimize my screen and get to this main screen. If I open this up, I come here to export, and I export my video. I can no longer get to the screen of minimal. So the way to work around this would be is to minimize this screen here. Let's see if we could shrink it down some now. Oh, I can't shrink it down. I now can grab the edges and shrink it down like so, just a little bit. And then come here to export, and then export my video. And then if I want to go to my desktop, I can't get to my desktop because the program locks you on the screen. Fixed the problem.